we navigate the challenge and victories of the coming days.
Let us all welcome our flag bearers. Let us all welcome the blue team!
Prepare to be enveloped with a rush and embrace of confidence and to witness the growth of unity as we welcome the blue team!
Together with the torch is the yellow team who signifies energy, enthusiasm, and optimism.
Last but not the least is the high-spirited color, purple team that signifies ambition and determination.
The 16 colors, together with the torches, graceful dancing playing, serve as a reminder of the passion that each and every one of us possesses. A passion for sportsmanship, competition, and the quest for greatness. Let its radiant glow light the way to the victory and ignite the fire of determination in our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, the torch that symbolizes friendship, camaraderie, sportsmanship, and excellence in St. Francis of Assisi College, Dasmariñas campus.
Carrying up on stage is Gabriel Zamora, grade 10 athlete.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2025 Intramurals Torch.
But let us